In this video, I'll show you how to get the buzz cut filter on TikTok. So this filter has been trending on TikTok and I'll show you how to get it. So before you begin, you want to first go to your app store. Here you're searching for TikTok and you're making sure it's been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, you want to go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're tapping on search and you're searching for the following filter, buzz cut filter. Now in the search results, you're looking for this filter here, buzz cut. Now for those of you who cannot see this filter, there is a solution to this. There's an alternative filter which basically looks like buzz cut and it's called the crew cut. So you want to search for crew cut filter and this is how it looks like. So you can either use the crew cut or the buzz cut. So here first I'll show you the buzz cut. Now to use it, go ahead and tap on use this effect. Now this will start off the video camera on TikTok. And now using the line, you can basically show off your haircut. So this is before and this is after. Now let me show you the crew cut. So tap on crew cut from your search results, then tap on use this effect. And now as soon as you get in the recording mode, you'll get your crew cut hairstyle. Now you can go ahead and press the record and record your video using this filter. So there you go. That is how to get the buzz cut filter on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.